Hello, we are solving grade 8 CBSE chapter number 12 factorization exercise 12.1 question number 2 factorize the following expression. Example number 5. The earlier examples already solved, please check. The question is 20 L square m plus 30 A L m. So wherever it is a variables, so it will be written as, let's factor one term by term. 20 L square m. 20 is a composite number, we need to factorize it. So 20 is an even number, it can be factorized with the 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0. 10 is again a even number, 2 5s are 10, 5 is the prime number itself, 5 1s are 5. Next, so 20 can be factorized as, write the factors upside down, 2 into 2 into 5. L square means what? L we have to write down 2 times into m. There is no power means what? Power is the 1. Next term is 30 A L m. Now we need to again factorize 30 because 30 is the composite number. What is the composite number? It has only more than 3 factors. So 30 is the even number. It can be factorized as the 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 is remaining. 2 5s are 10. Now 15 can be factorized as 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 is the prime number itself. So 5 1s are 5. 30 A L m can be factorized as 2 into 3 into 5. A into L into m. Now the common factors are, so 2, then 5, L and the m. So 2, 5, L and m. Let's have the product of this, 2 into 5 into L into m. So 2 5s are 10 Lm. So 20 L square m plus 30 A L m. Write down the factors one by one. So 20 L square m, we have already done the factors, just copy paste here. Again 30 A L m. We have already done the factorization, just copy paste here. Now, write down the common factors. So 2 is the common, again 5 is the common, L is the common and M is the common. What is remaining? I have marked it with the green pen, 2 and L. So 2 into L. Here what is remaining? 3 into A. So 3 into A. In the exam, you can use the pen and pencil. Write down the numbers with the pen and you can mark it with the pencil. So what is remaining? 2 5s are 10. 10 Lm is the common factor. And what is remaining inside? That is 2L plus 3A. And that is the answer. Always make a habit to highlight the final answer. It will be helpful for you to get the good marks. Thank you.